Hello, today we come to Brodsworth Hall.
Yes, Brodsworth Hall is just outside Doncaster in Yorkshire. We're going to have a look in the hall and around the beautiful gardens.
Brodsworth Hall is truly special. A country house conserved as it was found after the death of its last owner in 1988. Along with restored gardens which make Brodsworth a grand Yorkshire day out.
The gardens are an excellent example of high Victorian horticulture, a snapshot of a period when money was no object. Planted with over 24,000 bedding plants and around 5,000 bulbs to recreate the Victorian bedding scheme.
The garden team at Brodsworth change the display twice a year, once in late spring and again in late autumn. The Victorians would have done this 4 times a year.
As well as the stunning flower beds, the restored gardens featured formal topiary, a fern-filled dell and quirky garden buildings. There is also an 1864 privy toilet and target range, complete with classical style summer house.
The hall was built in the 1860s in the Italianate style, and the grand ground floor rooms still recall the house's Victorian heyday, with glittering chandeliers and marble statues.
But as you continue to explore, the picture changes. Successive generations faced a losing battle against subsidence and leaking roofs, making do and mend with dwindling funds.
The mansion remains as it was left, not a manicured Downton Abbey, but a country house as it really was.
Oh, it was lovely, wasn't it, Dor?
Oh yeah, wasn't it beautiful? Those tulips.
Oh, amazing.
I loved them.
Yeah. Well, thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.